He's Kalu. He's a stray cat I've been feeding since past few days, and I guess he has made this his home. When I saw Kalu a few days ago, he was completely fine, but when he came the next day, he had this big wound on his neck. So I put some medicine on him. I hope he will get better in few days. Kalu, please come tomorrow too, okay? So that I can take care of you. I think he doesn't want to stay here anymore. Kalu, Kalu. Oh, Kalu, what did you eat? Come here. Come here, Kalu. Kalu, are you feeling better? You are? He's very gentle. I was very afraid when I was putting the medicine on him, but he was so calm. He didn't even hiss at me. You're a good boy, aren't you, Kalu? Yes. 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 And the reason why I can't keep him because I already have 3 cats on my home and I don't think they will like him very much. Say hi. Say hi. Oh, are you still hungry?